In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Replit to Cursor in less than 2 minutes for Windows devices. We'll keep this simple and fast, and by the end, you'll have everything set up so you can work on your Replit project from Cursor using a secure SSH connection. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Replit homepage. Sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look for the Projects section. This is where all your existing work lives. Click Projects to view your list, then choose the specific project you want to connect. Opening the project first ensures you're adjusting settings in the right place. Inside your project workspace, find the search icon near the top right of the interface. Click it to open the quick search panel. In the search bar, type SSH. You should see an option or settings area related to SSH access. Click that to open the SSH configuration for this project. Here's where you'll link your local machine. Replit expects a public SSH key from your computer, so it can recognize and trust your device. Click Add SSH key. Replit will guide you with a command you can run on your Windows machine to generate a key pair if you don't already have one. Open your preferred terminal on Windows. PowerShell works great. Paste the suggested command and run it. This creates a private key that stays on your computer and a matching public key. You'll then copy the public key output and paste it back into the input field on Replit. Give it a label you'll recognize later, then save. A quick tip: never share your private key and consider adding a passphrase when prompted for extra security. If you already have a key, you can use the existing public key instead of generating a new one. There's one important requirement before you can connect from external editors like Cursor or VS Code. You need an active Replit Core subscription. Without Core, the external SSH connection won't be available. So make sure your account is on Core. If it isn't, upgrade first. After your public key is saved and Core is active, SSH access for this project is enabled. From there, you can proceed in Cursor and use its SSH workflow to connect to your Replit project using the key you just added. If something doesn't connect right away, double check that you pasted the correct public key, that it's saved for the exact project you opened, and that you're signed into the same Replit account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.